Hello everyone, Akash here. The LAVDIK and the Lambina. Those two is pretty famous pure ginger product. And I did review those two products in my channel about a few months ago. And some of the question I'm getting on those videos and some of the people that I feel much better that they're getting some positive result from it. And some of the question I'm going to go through that plus I'm going to end of the video. There is a product that you could use it overnight and it also really going to help you regrow new hair, and all about this video, all natural products. So the first question they asked me, does it have any side effect? Because this is pure ginger, Lambina, and LAVDIK also is pure ginger. So this too doesn't have any side effect because it's pure ginger, ginseng, and few other natural ingredients in it. So LAVDIK, this is how it's going to look like the bottle. If you get it, this is, and when you open it up, very important, every time when you use this product, LAVDIK, make sure your hair is dry. You know, it doesn't matter you take a shower in the morning or night, it doesn't matter. Whenever you're putting it on, make sure your hair is clean and dry. And this is a small bottle. And if sometimes, you know, I get some comment section like, does this has any side effect? Again, I said it's pure ginger. Like you make a home remedy in home. If you make it ginger home remedy juice in home and you use it, if it doesn't work for you, doesn't have any side effect because it's pure, you know, ginger, it's no chemical in it. So basically same thing, it doesn't matter you use it for a month, 2 months, you stop it, it doesn't have any side effect. Because I personally used it and it's ginger, so you know it's not gonna have it. Ginger, ginseng, and some other natural ingredients, oils on it, so it has the label on it. And it's the basically why I'm saying you should use this if you have less than 30% of your hair loss. This is like the people recently start losing hair, you always go for natural because you don't want it to make your hair situation worse than what it is right now. That's why I recommend go for natural. Work with the natural. Natural works slowly, but it works slowly you progress and it works better. So chemical sometimes it works fast, then it stop working and you end up losing more hair. Another thing is very important, your diet. Make sure you're eating healthy. That's very important. If you're not eating healthy, you need some kind of supplement to make it up for you. You could check it out on my channel playlist, all hair growth product, and you could find some supplement. Again, supplement is kind of thing you take it when you think you're not eating healthy, okay? But if you're eating healthy, you don't need supplement because you know, if you're eating healthy, then perfectly fine, your body getting all the nutrition you need, then you don't need it. But that's very important, that's you should do must. So the ginger, this one, if you get it, it's pretty cheap, $6-7 probably. I have the link in description box. And if you're gonna really serious every year here, you get 2 bottles. Don't get 1 bottle, get 2 bottles because this is a small bottle. And you just get it, this is how it's gonna look like. You put it exactly 1 drop, exactly where you need it, and you gently massage it. And it takes about 2 minutes to dry it out. Gently massage it, it's not gonna smell it at all. If you're using it in the morning, it's fine. You could use it in the morning one time, and you could use it at night time, you know, or evening time. Just gently massage it, put it. So ginger, pure ginger is gonna rapidly, you know, especially if you have a little hair. This is why I tell you, if you lost less than 30% of hair. Sometimes you see little hair, but it's just falling off. It's not growing fast. It gives you the boost to, you know, really give you the boost. So that's how you use it. Lambina is pretty famous product. You know, if you look at it in Asia, you know, people use it in shampoo. So this is the Lambina. This is how it look like, and it's pretty cheap again. And reason I'm telling you, because if you recently started losing hair, don't go for those chemical expensive products and you have no idea, you might, you know, give you more side effect or something like that. Then you know, personally over the year I use all natural, and you know, thank God I still have, you know, most of my hair. So Lambina is see this, right, this is how it's gonna look like. You're gonna put like about, if you have a, like example, you like your shampoo, this is a Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. I'm just giving you an example. You don't have to have this shampoo, but baby shampoo is always good because there's less chemical in it. So if you, let's say you have a Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, or any, if you're in a different country, if you have a, go to your local store, get the, you know, like whichever the good brand baby shampoo, you take that because it has less chemical in it. You take this is like about you know, 15 full ounce. 15 full ounce, I would put like 5 drops. If you have a 30 full ounce, you put 10 drops. If you 100 ml, like if other countries sometimes it's 100 ml, if it's 100 ml, you put like 4 drops. 200 ml, put 8 drop, and 30 300 ml, put like 12 drop. So you basically just put it into shampoo and just shake it well. That's what you do. Again, this is, I'm telling you, get this one. This is pure ginger essence. It has no side effect, nothing in it, and it's really cheap. And this gonna last you gonna last you a long time because you're using only few drops, and you know your shampoo lasts month, 2 months. So this gonna help you really when you take a shower, help you, like, you know, like your hair. Sometimes you see when you're taking a shower your hair fall off. This helps you, I don't know, sometimes synthetically, you know, help you, your hair, the ginger, the water just slips away, so you see less and less hair fall, and gives you the boost you need. The ginger that gives you the boost on your hair to regrow fast. So this is you using to, you know, like regrow your new hair. This is also using in a shampoo regrow. So combination of both, it really helps together, and all natural. So then you said, when do I stop, you know, using it? Like, if you fully recover your hair, you could stop anytime you want. But again, I said, this is not chemical product. You got to use it for at least 3 months. You know, this is what I'm saying. If you lost less than 30% of your hair, use it 3 months. You're gonna see a significant difference. And you know, if you recover all your hair, then you stop any point, because it's ginger. There's no harm to your hair or anything. But remember what I told you. If you lost, if you're not eating healthy, if your diet is messed up, you got to fix that. If you don't fix that, nothing gonna work. And reason I said, if you lost more than 30% of your hair, there's a product called Shampoo MD. It made, you know, like, that's a really strong product, and that has a lot of natural ingredients in it, and also has, like, it's not 100% you could check it out in my channel playlist. Is there the detailed video about it. If you lost more than 40% of your hair, you need something strong, you know, you could always check out there. So now, if you get the baby shampoo, if you like your shampoo, just check the label, make sure not too much chemical in it. Because if you're using a shampoo with too much chemical, and also if you're using a gel every day, men and women both, if you're using a gel, look at the level of the gel and how much chemical in it, because you want it to use as less chemical possible. So if you could check it out on my channel playlist, all hair growth product. There is a gel, aloe vera gel, that I would recommend. Is in my playlist. You could check it out. Really, if you really kind of person that like to use gel all the time, you could check out that video. That would really help. And honestly, I stopped using Lambina because I get pure ginger shampoo that I personally using right now. This is 100% pure. I would recommend, because this is expensive. This is like almost 20 bucks. If you're in North America, UK, like people know Tolify, it's 100% pure ginger. If you could get this, then you don't need the Lambina, because this is gonna do the job much better than Lambina. But Lambina is like $6-7 bucks, really cheap. You could be using this for like 6 months, 8 months, whatever the time. You could use it just for this small bottle. That also do the job. And if you lose less than 30% of your hair, I would just go for tell you to go for Lambina. But if you're willing to spend to get something really 100% pure shampoo that is really gonna help you, no chemical at all, then definitely this is 100% pure, like shampoo, ginger shampoo. So this way you sure when you take a shower, hey, I'm not using any chemical shampoo at all. Or go for the baby shampoo that has less chemical in it. So both would do it. And there is if you're willing to shave your head, this product that remember I told you in another video, I'll show you something. I realized, one time I shaved my head, and this is virgin hair fertilizer. This is very interesting name, virgin hair fertilizer. Mostly women use it. I give it a shot, especially if you shave your head as a man. Women, I would recommend them to shave your head. It's gonna be, I don't know. So this one, like if you shave your head and you put it all over your head, like this is a big thing, and it's like, comes out like a TV. Take a little bit, gently massage it. The reason I'm telling you to shave your head, so whichever the area you're thinking that your hair is not growing, and then you could just put it all over your head. This helps you blood flow on your skull. And this has, maybe if you first time use it overnight, you might see like a little bit itchy feeling, because it has a peppermint mint in it. So that might even feel a little bit itchy, but you get used to it. It gives you the blood flow you need, the pumping up the blood flow on your skull, because most of the hair we lose because we're not getting enough nutrition, and the blood flow is no good on our hair. Our head. So that's the main reason we lose hair. So basically, This is pretty cheap too. It's probably $7-8. I have the link in the description box. You have to do something about it. If you wait too long, then it gets too late. So like less than 30%, that's mean you recently, like year or two, you start losing hair. So this is the best time to tackle it with all natural. So Lambina, put it in a shampoo. LAVDIK, use it in the morning and afternoon. Just, it's a small bottle, just put a little bit on your skull, gently massage it. You use this, and if you're really serious about it, get the hair fertilizer. If you're really committed to it, just shave your head, and just use this. This is gonna it really help you. Use this overnight. So all this product is natural. So no, and don't mix up product together. Example, this is you're putting in a shampoo. So when you're taking shower, you're using it. So you're not mixing up anything. This one you're using it in morning or afternoon. So this is the same product you're using. And if you use this overnight, you take a shower in the morning. The day you're thinking you're gonna take a shower in the morning, you use this overnight. Then you use in the morning, you take a shower, you dry your hair, then you use this. So you're tackling in 3-way. And don't forget to like get the less chemical shampoo. That's very important. If you're really serious about it, if you want to get the pure ginger shampoo, heads up to you and get it. I did it. And and if you just cannot find it, again, the most common question people ask me, like, where can I find this product? Because all the time I put the link in the description box, and if you're not in North America, Canada, or UK, it's not easy to, with that link you cannot get it. So I would say just go in your local store, big store, or local online store. If you have Amazon or eBay, those kind of things available to you, go there, check it out. Hopefully you'll find it. And if you have any question about any product, you could always ask me in the comment section, and I'll try to answer it best of my knowledge. And if you hit the like button on this video, I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much.